Haluski. When I found out that there's a Polish dish made from cabbage and egg noodles, I said, guys, you do realize communism is over. Your resources are no longer being hoarded by your ruling hypocritical elite. They're now being hoarded by your democratically elected hypocritical elite. But then I found out you can add meat to it, and I'm all like, Kubra tak! So, let's begin. Wait.
Zacznijmy.
Yeah, what Google Translate said. Okay, to begin, we have to look into our Eastern European crystal ball. Cabbage. You're going to need a whole head of cabbage, roughly 2 to 3 pounds. And this year cabbage done some traveling, so play it safe and just peel out the first 2 outer layers. Now then, let's shred our cabbage. Now then, we're not going super thin, so you don't have to be perfect, but it needs to be shredded. Take our head of cabbage and cut it into quarters. Oh, by the way, I highly recommend a bread knife. Okay, see this? This is the core. We need to get rid of it. So, grabbing your knife, just try your hardest to cut around the core without cutting off as much of the outside leaves as possible. Alright, now we can begin cutting this into shreds. We're not looking to be perfect, just shredded enough. Transfer these to a huge bowl. Break these up as much as you can. Alright, and let's take care of the rest. Oh, and if it begins to get too thin, just turn it 90 degrees and slice it like this. Alright, all our cabbage is now shredded. And yes, this looks like a lot. Don't worry, it's going to shrink down once we cook it. Speaking of which, okay, cabbage has been cut. Now it's time to cook. I have here a large saute pan set over medium-high, a pot of water, which I set over high, which we will bring to a boil. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it, but I already got the fire going on a bit of a time crunch. Sorry if I don't make a lot of jokes. Anyway, to our pan, let's add 1 pound of chopped bacon. Cook until crispy. Okay, our bacon is looking more red and crispy than Satan's butt after skinny dipping. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to post a meme here. Grab a slot spoon and get our bacon out because we need all that grease. Let's add 1 pound of sliced kielbasa. Give everything a nice crisp. Try to even everything out. I know I should have turned on the hood. Okay, once they get a nice crisp like this, take them out. Okay, with our sausages cooked and the fire alarms taken care of. Sorry bro. Okay, it's kind of having a hard time showing up on camera, but let's add 1 onion sliced into rings like this. Cook until they're soft and translucent. Oh hey look, our water has finally come to a boil. And much quicker than last week. Should have had this on the front right burner. The only correct burner. To which we'll add 1 pound of egg noodles. Yeah, screw it, I'm using a scissors. Clean off the slotted spoon from earlier and use it to cook and test our egg noodles. Hey, CRJ from post-production with a few more instructions. Forgot to hit record on my camera. So once the onions become soft and translucent, add in all of our cabbage to the pan. Trying your hardest to keep everything in one pan, flip it over. Stir everything so everything gets evenly cooked. And season everything with half a teaspoon of salt. It'll help dry out moisture and shrink the cabbage down faster. Okay, let me test an egg noodle, see if it's ready. Egg noodles al dente. Let's go and drain this. Okay, our cabbage still needs to cook down, so let me take care of that. And move it to the correct burner. You know, now that our cabbage has shrunk down enough, let's add a few spices. 1 teaspoon of paprika. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, our cabbage has shrunken down nicely. Let's lower the heat down to medium-low and add in our cooked egg noodles. And as we stir, let's add in 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Okay, all of our butter has been melted. Let's reintroduce our meats. Top off with some sour cream and smacznego. Well, I'm getting canceled from all sides, but at least I have a nice Death Romeo. This has been Jay's Cuttin Kitchen. This has been Jay's Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun and meaning it this time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you really like the video, become a subscriber and hit the bell notification icon. I upload every Saturday. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and support me on Patreon. Man, this stuff is so good, I almost feel bad for making fun of Polish people. Almost.